Okay. So hi everyone. Good afternoon once again. Thanks for joining in to the today's webinar. We have the speakers for today's webinar, Mr. Manish Sendhar, who is the senior business manager at Hercules Hoist Limited and heading the All India ABP sales division for us. And he has more than 12 years of experience in the industry and has been associated with us since last 4 years. Along with him, we have Mr. Rahul Mahajan, who is the head of design Hoist division and has more than 25 years of experience into engineering design across multiple organizations. And he has been associated with us since last 9 years. And also we have other panelists, the experts, to answer all your queries. We have Mr. Devi Prasad Padi, who is the General Manager Sales and Marketing at Hercules Hoist Limited. And also we have Mr. Gupteswar Pohan, who is the Head of Service and Spares Division at Hercules Hoist Limited. Now I'll hand over to Mr. Manisandar to start with the webinar today. You can put your questions in the chat box and our experts will answer in the meantime. Also, at the end of the presentation, we'll have a Q&A session. Thank you.
Suraj, my screen is visible?
Yes.
Yeah. So, first of all, good afternoon, everyone. And Suraj has already introduced me. I am Manish Dhar, and I take care of channel partner business in the company. And first of all, thank you for taking out your time and attending this webinar. You must be knowing that INDEF conducts various webinars throughout the year. And this time around, we thought we will focus on customers who are, really very important to us, which is Ukraine partners. So that's why this webinar has been conducted. First, in this webinar, first I'll let you know how we will, what will be the flow of the webinar. First, we'll talk about. First, we'll give you some insights about the crane industry in India as such. Then we'll talk about challenges that crane manufacturers face in India and some solutions to that. And then we will try to explain how INDEF hoist and other INDEF products that we have got are helpful to the crane partners in improving their positioning in the market. So with that, I'll start my presentation. If you have any questions, like Suraj said, you please write it down in your chat box, and after the presentation, we will answer each one of your questions, and we'll also share our contacts so that you can get in touch with us. So with that, I'll start my presentation. First, let me briefly walk you through our introduction. I'm sure most of you are already aware about INDEF as a company, INDEF as a brand. Our company name is Hercules Hoist Limited and the brand name is INDEF. But, some of you who might not be aware about our company, it will help for you. So Hercules Hoist Limited it's a part of Bajaj Group company. Bajaj Group, and the company was formed in 1962 in collaboration with a German company called Hendrik de Vries in Düsseldorf. That's when we started, and it has been almost 60 years now in our existence, and we have seen exceptional growth for us. We have got two manufacturing facilities. One is in Khalapur, and the other one is in Khalapur is a place which is mid of Bombay and Pune, and the other manufacturing facility is in Chakan, which is close to Pune. We follow ISO 9001:2015 as a standard, and our products, if we talk about our mechanical hoist, these are both ISI as well as CE certified. Our other electrical product are also as per the latest IS standard. Also, some of it comply to the CE standards. The team size that we have is approximately 125 people in the company. Now, INDEF is, you all must be knowing that INDEF is India's #1 hoist manufacturing company. And we strongly believe that there is a reason that we enjoy this leadership position in the market. We believe that it is because of the product quality and the services that we have to offer to our customers. But it is also the credit should also go to our business partners and the customers like you who have put your faith in us. Who have put your faith in us. Now, if we talk about our market share, regarding the mechanical hoists, we have more than 1 million, which is 10 lakh mechanical hoists operational in the market, more than 100,000 or 1 lakh chain.
Mr. Manish, sorry to interrupt you. So your slide is not moving. We are still at the first slide.
It's still at the first slide.
Yes. Can you please go on to presentation mode and
it's not in presentation mode?
No.
Oh, sorry. Let me just check. Let me know if it is moving now.
Sure, just a second, it's loading.
There?
No, we are not able to see your screen.
It's not shared. Let me just check.
Sure.
Not yet? I'll directly share my screen now.
Yeah. Now, can you please go to presentation mode?
Yeah. Is it okay now?
Moving? Yes.
Sorry for this glitch. Like I said, I was saying Indef is India's #1 hoist manufacturing company, and the credit goes to the product quality and services that we have to offer. Plus, also, we also should give credit to the customers, to our customers, and to our business partners who have put their faith in their company. Then talking about our market share, mechanical hoist, we have approximately 10 lakh, operational mechanical hoists in the industry, in the market. Then our chain electric hoist, it's, more than 1 lakh or 100,000 chain electric hoists, which are operational right now. And wire rope hoists, if we have to talk about, more than 75,000 are operational in the market. Throughout our history, we have, been associated with some, like I said, we started with a German company called Henrik de Vries. Right now also we are associated with some European companies who provide their technical expertise to us. One is Planeta Habertechnik Germany, then Zache Handling Germany, and VHT Italy. These are some of our, some of the companies with whom we are, associated with right now. So Indef is, is not only number one hoist manufacturing company because of the kind of products we have got. We are also, we have also done good because of, our reach in the market, which has happened because of our business partners. So we have approximately 40 business partners all across India who are supported by approximately 100 authorized sub-dealers or retailers. So all in all, if you see, we have approximately 150 touch points or selling points in India from where you can buy your products. These business partners also provide services to you, so which makes which differentiates us from our competitor, because this makes us the biggest service network for these products. Also, we have got regional offices in Delhi, Pune, Kolkata, Chennai, and now in Bangalore as well. So that's how we are spread out across India. So this was a brief presentation on the company introduction. Now I'll talk about the crane manufacturing industry. To start with, I would like to share a few insights about the crane market in India. So as you can see in this chart, the market has grown at a single digit CAGR from last approximately 5-6 years, and but in next 2-3 years at least, it is expected that the market is going to grow significantly, and I'm specifically talking about the cranes market here. So the mainly the requirements is expected to come from auto industry for cranes, from auto industry, auto ancillary industry, then infra industries, and other engineering industries as well. So this was a survey which we had done, which was done approximately a few months back, and we got very important insights which we wanted to share with you as well. So if you see, the distribution of the crane market, then you see 60% of these requirements are for single and double girder cranes, 15% for gantry or Goliath cranes as you call it, then 15% for jib cranes, and flame proof cranes will be approximately 10%. And this is expected to go like this only in coming 2-3 years now. Talking about the industry bifurcation, so in general engineering industry, you find the majority of the crane goes into general engineering industry, which is approximately 30%. Then automobile comes at number 2, which is 20%. Then infra industries, infrastructure industries companies at 20%, and other heavy industries at 10%. So the total market stands at 1,500 crores right now, specifically for cranes, and it is expected to grow much beyond this in next 2-3 years now. If we talk about the capacity of the cranes, see, more than 50% of the market of the requirements are below 10-ton capacities, actually. More than 50%. Then approximately 30% will be between 10 to 25 ton, and beyond 25 ton, it is approximately, between 25 to 50 ton, it is 8%, and beyond 50 ton, it will be approximately 12%. So that's how this crane industry has been working all around the requirements, as to summarize these market inputs, market insights. So the thing is, mainly the requirements are coming from auto industry, auto ancillary industry, general engineering industries, infrastructure industries, and it is from the survey also we found that it is going to be like this only in next at least 2-3 years, and the capacity to focus on is less than 25-ton capacities. The majority of the requirement come in these capacities only. Now, what are the challenges that you crane manufacturers face? I'm very sure you would have already realized by now that being a crane manufacturer is not easy in India. You face a lot of challenges as a crane because the crane manufacturer population in India, will be in multiple of hundreds, if not more. So because of this very high competition, very high, there is huge competition in the market for, for the cranes. Because of this competition, the customer expectation for the prices as well as the delivery times is very, very high. The expectation for low prices and the delivery time is very high. On top of that, then the customer will expect very prompt service from you in case there are any service requirements at their work. So they will expect you to be very prompt in providing service also. But because these are non-standard, all the cranes, you cannot have a standard 5-ton, say 10-meter span crane for all your customers. It is as per the customers shared as per the customer requirement. So because these are non-standard products, you cannot keep inventory. Unfortunately, you cannot keep inventory for the cranes. So and also in some cases, customer requirement will be such that it will need detailed working and good amount of experience in handling similar applications and similar requirements. So these are a few challenges that you face in the market, which is very high competition, customer expectation of low prices and delivery time also. And because of the customized nature of these requirements, you cannot keep inventory, and in case there is a slightly tailor-made requirement which customer will need, it will need good amount of experience on your part on handling similar products. So because of these factors, because these are the challenges that any crane manufacturer face in the market, it makes the selection of few components very critical. Very critical. It has to be in the customer budget. The delivery time has to be matched. And because a hoist is one of the most critical part of your crane, it is one of the most critical part of your crane. That's why selection of the hoist becomes a very important point here. Selection of the hoist becomes very important point here. So I will now talk about hoist selection. First of all, why correct, not hoist selection, why correct hoist selection is required. We have seen multiple times in our experience, when we have discussions with our existing crane partners, they ask us for a particular model of the hoist. But when we go go into detail of the things, when we ask about the application of that crane, or say customer budget, site conditions, all that, then we suggest some other model, and that also helps the crane partner. So there are many factors which are which are important in selecting the right hoist for your crane. So a few of them are the application, site condition, and budget. While we often start the budget discussions with the project price discussion with the customers, but more important are, or equally important are, the application and the site conditions for the customer. Following are some of the factors that you must take from the customer while selecting, the correct model of the hoist. The load capacity is already known to you. You must, understand what is the actual load that customer is going to take. And so, one second. Just a minute, just a minute. Am I audible? Hello.
Yes, you are audible.
So the lifting height is important factor which you must consider. Then, like I said, the application of the crane, if it is a production application, maintenance application, warehousing, for warehousing it is required. Then you must also see what is the customer expectation of the speeds. Then why the speed of hoist is important here because customer will want the hoisting speed or the speed of your crane to be matching to their expectation of the total production throughput. So that's why the expectation of the selection of the right speed in the hoist is very important, which means the operation frequency has to be seen. What is the frequency of operation, how many hours in a day they are going to use it for, what is the cycle time and all, what is the type of operation. So if it is going to be an inching operation or continuous operation, what is the type of wire rope hoist. In case of wire rope hoist, what is the type of wire rope hoist they are going to use. Type of riving depends on that. And in case of, if there is a monorail hoist, what is the path of the hoist, if it is a straight path or if it is a curved beam where the hoist is going to be used. So these are some of the important factors which you must discuss with the customer before selection of the correct hoist model. Also important is the operating environment there. If the environment is dusty, if it is acidic, flammable, or the ambient temperature is high, or cryogenic application is going to be there. So these are some of the factors that you must discuss with the customer before selecting the correct model of the hoist. So as many of you are aware that INDEF is INDEF has got biggest portfolio of the hoists and other products with us. You will find many model of wire rope hoist, chain hoist, and chain pulley blocks. So you can see from 1 ton capacity up to 70 ton capacity. Also, we have got the hoist for any height of lift, be it 6-meter height or even 150-meter height. You will find a hoist for us. Be it any application, if it is a maintenance application, production, or heavy duty application, also you will find a hoist for us, hoist with us. But with such different such a variety of hoist that we offer to our customer, it is also a bit confusing for the customer when they want to select the correct model of the hoist. So the correct selection of the hoist is becomes very important in this case. That's why I have created this comparison of various model of wire rope hoist that we have got. One is WRH-N hoist, then IR hoist, WRH 1, 2, 3 model, HW model, as SMD model, and finally UR model. Your WRH-N comes from 1 ton capacity to 3 ton capacity. It is a class 2 duty hoist. The standard speeds come up to 5 mpm. Maximum height of lift you get in this is 12 meters, and the noise level is approximately, it is slightly less than 85 decibels. The motor start stops are 120, and the motor is compliant to IS 325 efficiency 1. In case of IR hoist, which is, IR hoist is the hoist which is mostly used by the crane manufacturer these days, our crane partners. The capacity is from 1 ton to 20 ton capacity. It is a class 2 duty and is also compliant to FEM 2M classification. The speeds that you get in this is 3 mpm, 6 mpm, 4 mpm, and 8 mpm, depending on the capacity of the hoist. The maximum height of lift you get in this model is 24 meters. The noise level that you get is less than 70 dB. So in case of your clean room applications or the applications where the customer expects very low noise level, you can go for the IR hoist. The motor start stops are 180 for lower capacities and 240 for higher capacities. Then the motor is compliant to IEC standard 60034 as well as IS standard 12615 2019 efficiency 2. So this is the IE2 motor that we give in this hoist, in IR hoist. Coming to WRH 1, 2, 3, it comes in 1 ton up to from 1 ton to 10 ton capacity. You get WRH 1, 2, 3 hoist in both class 2 as well as class 4 duty. The standard speeds range from 2.6 mpm to 9 mpm, again depending on which capacity you are looking for. The maximum height of lift you get is 20 meters. In this case, the noise level of the hoist is less than 85 dB. The motor start stops are approximately 150 in this case, and the motor is compliant to IS 325 efficiency 1. In case of HW hoist, this is a high capacity. This also comes in high capacities. So HW hoist comes in from 1 ton capacity up to 45 ton. Again, this is both class 2 also and class 4 duty hoist. And the speed is also from 2.6 to 8 mpm, depending on the capacity of the hoist. The maximum height of lift that you get in this case is 60 meters. And the noise level is less than 80 decibels here. The motor start stops are 180, and motor compliance is IS 325 efficiency 1. So SMD is the other model that we have got, which is a steel mill duty hoist. The capacities range from 5 ton capacity up to 70 ton capacity. It is by default a class 4 duty hoist. The standard speeds are 4.3 mpm. The maximum height of lift that we have executed till now is up to 150 meters also. So you can imagine the kind of ability, design abilities, manufacturing abilities we must be having. Then the noise level is less than 80 dB. The motor start stops are approximately 240, and the motor is compliant to IS 325. Coming to UR hoist, the capacity ranges from 3.2 ton capacity up to 40 ton capacity. The duty class is both 2M as well as 4M duty class. You get this hoist. This is one of our advanced ultra premium hoists that we are offering. This comes as a standard. This comes with geared motor assembly from Europe, from Germany, and MA duty gearbox as a standard you get in this thing. The speeds that you get is ranging from 2.6 mpm to 6.3 mpm. Maximum height of lift you get is 12 meters here, and the noise level is much less. It is less than 70 decibels in this case. The motor start stops are 240 and 300 in this case, and the motor, like IR hoist, the motor is compliant to IE2 standards here. So this is a typical comparison between our wire rope hoist categories, but our suggestion to the crane manufacturers is always that you let us know what is the application, what type of requirement is there, and then we will suggest you which model you should go for. But we can also train you in selecting the correct model of the hoist. Coming to our chain hoist category, in chain hoist, we have, the hoist from 1 ton up to 20 ton capacities. From 250 kg up to 20 ton capacity. And in fact, Indef is the only company to have a chain hoist up to 20 ton capacities. If you see this comparison, for EH2 is our entry level hoist, UC plus as well. Then XC plus is the hoist which is our bread and butter in chain hoist category. It is India's highest selling chain hoist as well. You compare it with any other competitor. Then in premium range we have GC and GC plus, because you can see the motor start start stops are 240, 360. The motor CDF is 60%, 65%. Here in HC hoist, it is 40%, and motor start stops are 150 start stops. In GC Plus, you can get various speeds, and the motor start stop also is up to 360. In case of CH hoist, CH3, CH4 hoist, it is with these hoists, we can offer chain hoist up to 20-ton capacities also, and there are many customers, NTPC or many other. In engineering industry also, we have supplied this hoist to many customers where they want to use this hoist for such high capacities. So this is a comparison between our chain hoist category. If you talk about duty cycle, this is EH2 is FEM 1AM duty, UC plus as well. HC plus is FEM 2M duty. GC hoist is 2M plus. GC plus comes in up to 3M duty, and CH3, CH4 comes with FEM 2T. These are compliant to FEM 2M duty cycle. So this is a comparison between various chain hoists that we have got. Similarly, we can do a comparison between our mechanical hoists also, but I have not done it right now because for HOT cranes where we offer the chain pulley blocks, it is mainly for the maintenance applications, and so the comparison is not that important here. So coming to why Indef products for the crane for the cranes that you are supplying to the customers. So first of all, Indef is we are currently also supplying to more than 110 crane manufacturers across India, and we have very strong and very old relation with these crane manufacturers. They find association with Indef very useful in satisfying the customers that they have got. So following are the applications in industry where you find the use of the hoist. In single girder cranes, you will see the usage of hoist. In double girder cranes, jib cranes, then gantry cranes or Goliath cranes, then HOT cranes definitely, and light rail crane systems as well. So what are the selection criteria? What is the hoist selection criteria when a crane manufacturer tries to select the correct model of the hoist? First of all, I'm sure whenever you are selecting a hoist, you must be looking at the possibility of customization in the hoist. Then you are looking for fast deliveries of this hoist. Also, you look for customer acceptance of the brand. Then whoever is your hoist supplier, they must have different hoists for different application, or clear understanding which hoist to be used for which application, and definitely then the spare part availability. So why Indef products? So for this possibility of customization and customer acceptance, we have got our IR hoist. Because it comes with modular design, the Spur helical gearbox as a standard it gives you, and because why the IR hoist is so famous with the crane manufacturer these days, because it offers very low hook approaches as well, and the headroom is also very low. So I'll explain a bit about IR hoist that we have got here. So it is a complete modular design. It is I2 motor, like I was saying, flexible design because of the modular natures. It comes with both single as well as dual speed options. It has got various avatar, as in I'll explain you in further slides. So IR hoist, we say IR hoist pays for itself. Why? Because it as a standard, it comes with I2 motor, and if you see this calculation here, after 5 years of the usage, in case of a maintenance or in case of a production duty hoist, it recovers approximately 35% of its cost. In 7 years 49, and in 10 years almost 70% of the hoist, only with this energy saving through the motor it happens. Then it has high performance gearbox, spur helical adaptive gearbox it has got, which has a service life of more than 2000 hours. Then the gears that we are using in IR hoist are not only hardened gears, these are also grounded. The grinding is also done, because of which the noise level is also very low and the transmission efficiency is also very good here. I'll just very quickly go through it. For dual speed options, it comes with HID technology. What are the benefits you get with HID technology? It has controlled starting current, then low power demand on startup, adjustable torque limit you get in this, controlled braking you get, then motor protection you get as a with this, and with this you can also get industry, you can also upgrade your hoist to industry 4.0. Then you can anytime convert this single speed hoist into a double speed hoist with help of HID technology. So your investment is also protected with that. So I was saying this hoist comes in various avatars. So it comes with the standard trolley, boogie trolley, then low headroom trolleys also it come with, then foot mounted crabs it comes with, then crab mounted hoist also you can get, then standard execution also you can get, and flame proof execution also you can get in this case. So standard is for gas group A and B, 2A and 2B you can get our hoist, and for ATEX compliance also we have specific suppliers who can provide motors which are compliant to ATEX here. So this was about our IR hoist, and why IR hoist is very successful in the crane with the crane manufacturers that we supply to. Then coming to fast delivery and the customer acceptance, I'll also talk about the requirements where you want chain hoist to be used in your cranes. So we have HC Plus hoist here. HC Plus is India's fastest and highest selling chain hoist. It comes as and why it is so, because it comes as a standard with aluminum die cast gearbox body, because of which it gets its strength and reliability. Then overload slipping clutch as a standard you will get in this, because of which it gets its safety. Then the energy saving motor, I2 motor as a standard you will get in this, so low downtime you will find here. Then gearbox, the gear train assembly is optimally designed, because of which the ROI is better for the customer. The chain stripper and chain guide improves productivity and safety of the hoist. Then if you compare HC hoist with any of our competitors, the chain size you will find it's a stronger load chain that we are using without compromising on compactness of the hoist. So without compromising on the compactness of the hoist, we use slightly better load chains here. The chains also are imported from one of the best manufacturers of load chain from Europe, and that is one of our big USPs in this hoist. Then a dual speed also you can get in this hoist through HID controller, and the whole body we have tried to minimize the use of plastics in this hoist. So the control panel cover also is a metallic cover here. So with this hoist, you get smooth operation. There are no jerks in case of dual speed I2 motors, so economical to use. International grade chain gives reliability and safety. So AC fail-safe electromagnetic brake gives also safe operation. Then again, geared cam limit switch, 4-stage geared cam limit switch you get in this, which also makes sure your operation is safe. Then it is also one of the value for money products that we have got for the customers. So that's about HC Plus hoist that we have got. Then about chain pulley blocks we have got. So for your HOT crane applications, we offer our P chain pulley block, M chain pulley block, as well as our S Pro chain pulley block. So with the P chain pulley block, you get both CE as well as ISI certifications in this. all our chain pulley blocks are tested at 50% load. It's, when Indef started in 1962, it started with this P chain pulley block, and this product is proven since last more than 50 years now. It comes as a standard with the grade 80 load chain and zinc plated hand chain. Then double ball bearings supported load will make sure the operation is smooth for the customer. The alloy steel gears that we are using are case hardened here, so the life of the chain pulley block is also better, and it also makes sure the operation is noiseless. Then the load chain wheel that we are using, it's a fully pocketed and spheroidal graphite material that we are using, which makes sure the life of the product is also better. The other, for your flame proof or spark proof applications, you can get zinc coated parts also, and bronze coated parts also, and this is also widely popular in case of oil and gas industry, where you need spark proof chain pulley blocks. Coming to our M chain pulley blocks, which is also highly popular in the market. I need not to go into detail of this product, but it comes in both CE as well as ISI certification. Again, 50% our load tested. It is a almost 20-year-old product. Then it comes as a standard with the grade 80 load chain. Then the ratchet and pawl is available in this, which makes sure smooth operation. Then the needle, yes, so it has got needle roller bearings in it, which also gives better efficiency for the chain pulley blocks. And there are other features also which gives it a better life, better operational usage and all that. Then we also have got Steer S-Pro chain pulley block. With this chain pulley block, it's a lightweight, ultra compact chain pulley block that we have got. It comes with the German load chain, grade 80 load chain. So it's a galvanized load chain that it comes with. So it's a better in that sense, and the rest of the features remain same. That was about the chain pulley blocks that we have got for your HOT crane applications. Now, I also said you also look for, for different application, you should have different products. So I have already explained in my previous slides that we have got class 1 duty hoist, also class 2 duty, class 4 duty hoist also. So be it any application, you will find a hoist with Indef in both chain hoist category also and in wire rope hoist category as well. Then some additional criteria that you look for is, design support and suggestion. So I was also saying, in case where the customer looks for some complicated, solution for their requirements. So because we have got a highly experienced team, both design as well as service team here. So all those suggestions also you can get very easily. Spares availability and product reliability also is something that you look for. I was already saying that because through Indef you get highly experienced team for all industries, and we have executed highly complex projects as well. So we can offer our suggestions when such requirements also come up. Then we are India's oldest and #1 hoist manufacturer. It is a made in India product. We offer safety in every step, and you go anywhere in India, you will find a lot of happy customers of Indef. We are also making sure the availability of spares is very easy for our customers. I have already explained in my previous slides that we have got approximately 40 authorized business partners who maintain the spares with them, and spares availability is very important for the customer. So that's why you can get these spares from our business partners very fast. Additional to this, we also, from the service point of view, we have few things to, cover up. For example, we offer free supervision of commissioning in all our electrical products. Then in-depth clinic is there, certified technicians are there, and, our response is also something that we have, recently changed. So these are the few things that I would like to touch upon, because these are few things that we have upgraded recently. We offer free supervision of commissioning of our electrical products before it is put to its first use. So it also avoids the failure of our hoist, and we also guide our customer how to use the hoist. As in, we also give the guidance what are the do's and don'ts for using this hoist. This also makes sure the hoist operation is, there is safety in using the hoist, and the accidents can be avoided if the commissioning is done. We are also incentivizing our business partners for doing commissioning of the electrical products. Then we have all our 40 authorized business partners are well equipped with the service workshop. We do quarterly audit of their facilities, and we make sure that these in-depth clinics are, as per in-depth standard. Then I have already said it in my previous slide that we have the largest network of, certified technicians in India. More than 50 technicians are there, and these we give at least 2 or 3 service trainings throughout the year. These are the type of training. These are hands-on trainings that we provide in our facility, and the certificates that we provide to the technicians. Then I was talking about this point earlier. There are 200 critical spares which are stocked at our ABP warehouse. These are the critical spares which can be used in our hoist whenever there is a need for that. So these are always stocked at our ABP warehouse, and which is authorized business partner. So the customer can, get these spare parts very fast and very easily from them. Now that was about why the INDEF is the the preferred brand for the crane manufacturers and the customers that we have got. I will quickly walk you through the the other products also that we have. So in chain pulley block category, we have INDEF P chain pulley block. I have already briefed you about this. Then INDEF M chain pulley block is there. Then Steer S Pro chain pulley block I have already explained. Then we also have pulling and lifting machines with us. Then ratchet lever hoists are there, and then we have push pull trolleys, gear trolleys, and electric trolleys as well. Coming to our electric hoist categories, I was explaining this earlier as well. We have our EH2 or baby model, which is India's oldest chain hoist. Then UC Plus, our compact chain hoist for 250 and 500 kg applications. Then HC Plus hoist for your 250 kg up to 5 ton applications, 5 ton requirements is there. Then GC hoist up to 2 ton capacities, you will find the GC hoist, which is a premium model of hoist that we have got. Then for very demanding applications also, we have got a GC Plus hoist, which is an ultra premium model that we have got, and unique CH3 CH4 hoist, which is up to 20 ton capacities. This is about electric chain hoist. Coming to our wire rope hoist category, again, various type of hoist. This I have explained earlier also. So WRHN, WRH123, HW, IR, UR, and SMD models are there. Now coming to another products which is of some interest to you. So we also offer crane kit to our crane partners. So crane kit for single girder as well as double girder cranes up to 10 ton capacity and 18 meter height of lift up to 25 meters span we can offer you. So what is a crane kit? It consists of the hoist, plus end carriage assembly, and also electric control panel with mounting clips in it. So this is what a crane kit consists of. This is a typical technical parameter of the crane kit. So the power supply is standard, limit switch for all motions you will get in this. Then electromagnetic disc brake, fail-safe brake you will find. IP55 protection as a standard we provide. Rail width of 40 mm and 50 mm are suitable for these crane kits. We offer 20 mpm LT motion speed, 17 mpm CT motion speed, but it can also be customized as per your requirement. Wheel blocks for with spherical roller bearings we offer in our crane kits. As for duty, squirrel cage, AC squirrel cage motors you find in this thing, and some other features also. But whenever you have these requirements, you can get in touch with us, and we will give you a detailed presentation for crane kit also, and technical sheet also. So what are the advantage of buying crane kits from Indef? So Indef crane kits are, these crane kits are from India's leading brand of material handling technology. So this adds to the to your offering to the customer. When you offer crane to the customer and say that it comes from, the crane kit comes from Indef, it's the added advantage that you can talk about in front of your customers. So for the cranes, so it comes with Indef hoist, which is widely accepted brand in the market. Everybody will everyone will give you some premium for using Indef hoist. Then the end carriage is designed and manufactured considering all prevailing standards, all latest standards we have considered while designing the end carriages. Selection of various proven make of so all the components that we use in our be it motor or limit switch, these are proven makes in the market, and we have used and tried and tested, and then only we are here to offer you. Wherever our crane partners need guidance and expertise, guidance for the design of girder, we can offer the girder drawings as well to them, and then you can manufacture it at your end. So with crane kit, it also the crane partners, it also helps crane partner to increase their manufacturing capacity, because you don't have to worry about the hoist manufacturing or crane end carriage manufacturing or control panel. That we are going to offer you. You just manufacture the girder and supply it to your customer. So by that, your total capacity to manufacture more cranes goes up with that. So because Indef's name is also associated with such crane partners, so this also gives you an edge in comparison to the competitors out there. The cranes built with Indef crane kits will not only be the technical superior, it will not only be technical superior in comparison to your competitors, but also commercially attractive to the customer. So these are some advantages that we offer through the crane kits that we supply. We also have the light rail crane system. These are some unique patented light rail crane systems that we have got, which I'm sure this will catch your attention, and it will be of use to you. So these are, LR, we call them LR plus light rail systems. These are up to 2 ton capacity. You can get single girder, double girder, monorail, any configuration with this. Also, it can be used in a jeep crane. This is lightweight and very tough, profile systems. So very quickly, I will run you through this presentation. So the most unique feature of this light rail system is the trolleys are mounted from outside. In case of our competitors, you will see the trolleys of the hoist are mounted from inside. On the right side here, you will see that's a conventional profile, light profile, where the trolleys are mounted from inside, and on the left hand side is the light rail profile that we offer. Here the trolleys are mounted from outside. So what are the benefits? These are, because these are modular parts, there are high flow of traveling trolleys, it can manage. Then because the trolleys are mounted from outside, the visibility is very high, and the accessibility for maintenance is very good. Also, the electrification of this is very, very good. Safety wise, it takes care of all the disadvantages what a traditional light rail profile offers to the customer. So it has got 3 capacities, 500 kg, 1 ton and 2 ton. The benefit is that all 3 profile have got the same width, so it can be linked with each other also. It has got ball and socket arrangement, then bus bar as well as festooning system you can use in this thing. It comes in different configuration, be it monorail, single girder system or double girder system, you can get in this. So this was about our crane kits and light rail systems. We also have some unique solutions in our stacker cranes. This is a direct replacement for forklifts that you use in the warehouse. So this also saves the space for the customer. Also, the capacity for stacking the material also goes up. So it has got many advantages. You can connect with us and we can explain about this in detail to you. Also, we have, through our association with Zashe, we offer manipulators in the market. So this is this completes our total product portfolio. So in short, I'll tell you, if you have any overhead material handling requirement, you please get in touch with us and you will find a solution for that requirement through us. If you want to talk about customers, you can name any customer in India. You will see that Indef is already present there, be it in small proportion or big, but we are there everywhere. Internationally also, we have some good customers. I need not to run you through this. So thank you all for paying attention to this. This is my contact details, as well as the contact details of Mr. Rahul Mahajan. You can get in touch with us anytime. So that was all from my side. Thank you, everyone. Thanks a lot. Now you can ask your questions. If you have already written it in the chat box, then we can answer it one by one. Raj, you find any questions?
No. Oh, okay. Thank you, Manish. It was a really insightful session. So, participants, if you have any questions, please put in the chat box. Okay. We have one question from Mr. Anchit regarding the presentation. Then Mr. Ravi Gauba regarding distributorship.
Okay, somebody has written that please send us this presentation on email. Definitely, sir. You please write to us on our email ID, and we will be happy to share the required details with you. How to become a dealer. So please write to us on the email ID that I have just shared. Suraj, please send the email ID also, so that they can get in touch with us. If you have got any other questions, please. Okay. Okay, so Mr. Anchit Jain, you can, like I said, you can write to us. We can see all our electrical products that we have got. It is mandatory that it has to be commissioned at site, and we offer free supervision for commissioning through our distributors. The distributor from where you have bought this product, you can contact them, and they will be, offering this service to you. Okay, Mr. Suvine, sir, please write to us. We will sort out any such kind of issues. We are here. We have presence all over India. We have regional people also there. So we will definitely help you in this. My email ID, so it is mmd@indef.com. You can see. So Raj has just sent a message, so you can write to us on that. So Mr. Himanshu Patel has written, it would be better for us if we can see the equipment physically. Definitely, Mr. Himanshu, you can, again, I'm saying you can write to us. We have our products in inventory of our distributors. They can, provide demo of these products very easily to you. And we can also be a participant to that. Mr. Anchit, I believe it's there. So rope guides that you are talking about, sir, we also offer metallic rope guides now in our wire rope products. Price list of products. So price list, we have, our prices are accessed by our business partners on our e-com portal, sir. So it is only accessible to them. That's how it is. The service support, Mr. Vikas Jha, the service support is provided by the trained technicians that we have in the market with our authorized business partners. And in case further support is required, we also have our service team in place, so that those people can also provide you the service. So email ID we have already shared, sir. Email ID is mmd@indef.com. So
Mr. Manish, actually, what Mr. Srinivas is asking is like, what are the terms and conditions for becoming a channel partner? So
I understand that. So that's what I'm saying. You please write to us on the email ID, and we will be able to answer you in person, sir. Okay, the service person list nearby available. Yes, absolutely, it is available, sir, and we will help you in that. You please write to us. If you have any other questions, please write to us on the chat box. Otherwise, you can also mail us your queries, and we'll be happy to answer those. Mr. Vikas is dealership. Yeah, it is definitely renewed, sir. Definitely. Is the dealership to be renewed after certain period? Yes. Yes, sir. Mr. Himanshu Patel, for crane kits, we can support you with the standard pricing for various spans. Actually, the thing is, it depends on what is the span, what is, height of lift and all that. But we can help you with some configurations here, some standard pricing for that. Yes, please. You can, Mr. Vikas, you can write to us in, and then we can answer you in person. Yeah. Thank you, Mr. Vikas.
Hello, Himanshu. This is your question against the crane kit. Every time we have to take price from you. Yeah, we have a standard price list for the standard wheelbase and wheel gauge and span of the girders as well. But if it is something else is there, then you need to reconfirm from the company about the prices of the.
For few configurations, you can find
Yeah.
the standard pricing.
Yeah.
Which can help you. You let us know what are the standard few, maybe 2-ton, 10-meter span, or 12-meter, 15-meter, 20-meter. So standard pricing can be given for that. For say from 1 ton to 5 ton or 10 ton capacities. Mr. Patel, you're writing we are crane manufacturer in Baroda, Gujarat region. We are already using your products from 12-15 years. Recently you purchased you have some problem in the hoist. Please send fast response. Okay, we have lodged a complaint. Okay, so we will discuss with the concerned person. Sir, you please write to us on our email ID, and we will definitely look into it very promptly. Very promptly you will see our response. Please write to us on our email ID. And I've already got some details in your message. I will talk to the people. Also share your contact details, sir, so we can respond to you. Mr. Arif, for IR, HC and LR, you want our catalogs? Definitely we'll send it to you, sir.
So we request everyone to fill the feedback form. So at the end of the webinar, you will get a feedback form. Also, you'll get it in your follow-up mail. So we request you to fill up that. If you have any other questions, please type in. Mr. Manish, there is a question from Mr. Himanshu Patel on the crane kit.
Okay, what is the biggest advantage of using your crane kit? Okay, first, the biggest advantage, Mr. Patel, is that you get the association of the India's #1 company in material handling, which is INDEF, and which is an added advantage for you for the customer. The other thing is these are already proven products. The hoist that we manufacture, these are already proven products, widely accepted and appreciated products in the market. So with that, your positioning also becomes better. The crane kits also that we offer, these are with with some very good components which give good life for your crane. Plus, with all these technical features, the total commercials are also very attractive, so which becomes further appealing.
So if you have any question, please type in.
So, Mr. Vikas, you're saying impact of production capacity on our production due to the lockdown. Okay, okay. So, throughout this 1.5 year, uh, we like everyone, we also had some impact because of some of the vendors who are not operational for some time. Fortunately, now we feel we have come out of all the problems, and we are doing very good right now. In fact, it is our delivery times have improved significantly. We have our FG stocks in place. All that is happening these days, Mr. Jha. So things are looking very bright. But yes, there were some issues because of the lockdown. We also faced, the deliveries were not happening in between and all that. But now it is quite smooth.